Hey guys, Tim Russell here from Multipart Finance, and last week APRA announced some pretty significant changes with the way they are going to be assessing someone's income. So in this video, I want to walk you through what's currently happening and then show you what's going to happen once these changes go through. So let's unpack that now. Okay, so I'm now inside the CBA broker website, and this table that we're looking at here is the current system that the banks use when they assess someone's income. So at the moment, even though interest rates are say 3.9%, you would have to show that you can afford to make repayments as if the loan was either 7.62% for owner occupied or 8.2% for investment. So over the last 12 months, APRA have obviously been extremely conservative, and they've currently looked at the current system and said, well, do you know what? We're actually in a long-term low interest rate environment. So to have an assessment rate of 8.2 or 7.62 is probably too conservative. What they're proposing now is to have it at 2.5% above what the rate that you're applying for is. So that change is going to be quite significant. What I want to show you now is a live application that I've got currently. Now these guys are looking to purchase an owner-occupied property for $950, and they're going to need a loan of $850 in order to get that property. So we've got their details in here now. Male applicant's on about $140, female applicant is on about $20. They're going to rent out their current property, so there'll be a little bit of rental income in there. And so here's the current loans that they've got. Now, at the moment, the assessment rate being 7.62%, it's failing servicing. It says that the max they can borrow is $758, so they're about 100 grand short. If we presume that rates are 3.9% and the assessment rate is 2.5% above that, it means the assessment rate will be 6.4%. And then look what happens, bang, they can borrow up to $857. So that's a $100,000 difference for this current client. And of course, you know, if you've got more loans, it'll make things even more dramatic. So we think that these changes that the banks are going to put, there's probably going to increase servicing by about 20 to 30%. So from our company, Multipart Finance, we're engaging with our clients that we've worked with over the last 12 months who we've said that they're probably a little bit short. So that may be you. Feel free to get in contact with us again, but we think this is going to be probably the biggest change that we've seen in property markets over the last 3 years.